Hi guys, I'm Aman and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to build an RC tank. Oh yeah, a tank. So yeah, let's just begin. So you'll need a piece of hardboard just like this. Actually you'll need two of them, and then you'll need two of these yellow gear motors, four of these wheels, and of course you'll need an RC. So this is the remote control. So just gonna wire the motor. So the green wire is the plus wire, and the minus wire is actually the white one. So yeah. So now let's just build the machine. This is the glue gun. It's a little bit dirty, but you know, you don't have to worry about that. A glue gun is a glue gun. Okay, so just gonna put this motor here. So guys, I have actually done the same with the other motor too. So guys, I have actually attached this motor over here. It will act as a bearing. Now I'm doing the same on the other side of the tank. So yeah, we're almost done. So guys, I am actually done with the tank. I have attached these pieces of hardboard on both sides of the tank and attached this RC over here. So guys, I'm trying to attach this piece of cardboard over here, and I'm actually decorating our tank so it won't look like too, you know, it won't look bad. So this is the barrel of our model tank, and actually I forgot to mention that I have already attached the rubber bands over here. Well, you already would have seen it, but I just thought I should just tell you that. So guys, our tank is ready. This is how it looks after it's all decorated. So this is the battery holder, and yeah, let's just test how it works. So guys, here's the remote control. Just gonna test how it works now. So let's just begin. I'm turning the tank on. Yep, and here it goes. So it will go like to the right, and